Gas is one of our biggest expenses, so you want to save as much as possible. Well, Get Upside app will help you with that. This app will give you cash back on gas purchases. Get Upside is a simple way to get cash back. Just look at the gas stations within the app. Claim the offer and submit your receipt. Purchase your gas and submit your receipt, and in 2-3 days you will get cash back. Sign up with your Google account. Then it will ask you what kind of gas you usually buy. And this is what the app looks like. You can see the gas stations in your area with the prices and your rebate. In order to claim the offer, select the orange button. After you select the orange button, you have 4 hours to make your claim or it will expire. You need to purchase the gas with the credit card or debit card, and you need to print out a receipt so you can submit it and get your cash back. Open the app, submit receipt, answer all the questions, then take a picture of the full receipt and upload.